Potholes. Every year, potholes cost Americans $3 billion in repair costs. That's a billion with a B. And guess what's one of the major complaints and costs to City Hall? Yeah, potholes. We just can't repair our roads fast enough. And here's the craziest part. The way we repair potholes today is a temporary fix. We show up with a bag of mix, dump it in the hole, pound in the mix, and drive away. We repair the same pothole again and again and again. The definition of insanity. People lose. Cities lose millions. And this guy, well, he's pretty grumpy. So we decided to look at the problem a little differently. Down here where our roads get really weak, where water, air, and rush hour do their damage, to the binder that holds all the aggregate together. That's the start of those nasty potholes. So we hit it two ways, outside and inside. Outside first, because the future is phononic. Phononic waves, that is. With our Halo repair system, pulse wave electronics create phononic waves to heat up the existing pavement in and around the pothole. And for the first time, we can reactivate that valuable asphalt binder in the road without heating up the aggregate in preparation for the final repair. Inside the pothole, we get to work by adding Pear polymer and aggregate, created with a first-ever polymer made from used tires. But that's another story. Now, with reactivated binder plus Pear and the Halo system, we rebuild the road at a molecular level. For the first time, we're using the existing binder, phononic waves, and Prism thermoplastic rubber to create new, stronger linkages in the binder that is compacted together and creates a permanent fix. And in less than 15 minutes, you have a solution to the pothole problem that will last for years. And the end of the insanity, so we can roll on towards smoother, safer communities. Renewing the future by reusing the past. WaveBond Halo Repair Systems and Pear Binder from Prism Worldwide.